Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Karnool district. Let us see what are the job openings available one by one. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Bandhan Bank all over India, and they have 3,656 bank units and 1,045 general banking branches, and they have a openings for 45,549 job roles. You can check with the job description details, and this is a field job. If you see, qualifications should be minimum 20 to 32 years of age between, and that is maximum age is 32 years, and should have 10 plus 2 qualification and above, and you should have a bike or scooty, and should have driving license as well. So this is a field work. And then if you see, they are going to give you a fixed salary and PF, medical claims, insurance, gratuity, like this, and based on your performance your salary will be revised. So you should have a PAN card, and you should have a Aadhaar card, everything, and you should share your resume or CV along with your documents to the provided email ID. Email ID is territory@bandhanbank.com. So this is the email ID you have to share. If you have any questions, let me know in below in comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Concertina Pharmaceuticals. They are looking for several job openings for several locations. Medical representatives. They have openings for Hyderabad, Warangal, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Tirupati, Kadapa, Anantapur, Kurnool, Nellore, Ongole, Guntur, Vijayawada, Elur, Bhimavaram, Rajahmundry, Kakinada, Vizag and Srikakulam. For all these locations, they are looking for medical representatives. And qualification, if you see, should have a 3 years of relevant experience, and that is must, and up to 29 years of age limit is there, like age should be below or up to 29 years it will be considered. Salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience, and candidates who are having worked in respective HGS only will be considered. And they are looking for area sales manager. For the locations, they are looking Hyderabad, Warangal, Tirupati, Kurnool, Vijayawada, Vizag and Rajahmundry. Qualification, if you see, should have 3 years of experience in managerial. Cardiology experience will be considered, and up to 35 years of age will be considered, and salary is negotiable based on your skill set and experience, and should have worked in respective HQs need to apply. And they are looking for regional zonal sales manager, Hyderabad location. Should have 10 to 15 years of relevant experience with exposure to Telangana, AP and Odisha markets, and with their experience in who are having experience in Telangana, AP, Odisha markets will be considered. And age limit is up to 45 years of age limit is there, and salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience. You will be provided with challenging and motivating environment to grow at a rapid pace. You can share your resumes at the provided email ID on or before December 30th. The email ID is concertinapharmaceuticals at Remember, you have to share your resumes on or before December 30th. Next, there is a job openings for Cubix Medicare. They are looking for medical representatives. They have provided several requirements as well, like basic communication in language like English language skills, and you should be able to willing to travel or not, and minimum qualification is degree, and should have a two-wheeler as well, and should have minimum 6 months to 2 years of sales experience. You can share your resume at the provided email ID immediately, and you will earn minimum 14,000 to up to 22,000 per month, and along with incentives and conveyance allowance. So you can share your resume at the provided email ID, and for more information you can browse the provided official link https transcat.in recruitment.php, and email ID is careers@transcat.in, and official website address also provided www.qubixmedicare.in. Cubics Medicare Private Limited, this is the company name. So these are all the qualification details and the salary details and the official email ID provided. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Tagore High School. They are looking for teacher positions to teach physical science and natural science from 6th to 10th classes, and maths and English subjects from 3rd to 5th classes. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9441657732, and address details is Tagore High School, Sherin Nagar, Kurnool. Next, there is a job openings for VNM Power Solutions. They are looking for service technicians for a each generator. Qualification minimum ITI or diploma in relevant field. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is vnmpowersolutions@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Vidyasai Junior and Degree College. They are looking for faculty for all subjects. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, and job location will be Madhikara. Contact numbers are 9985960228 and 9703255485. Next, there is a job openings for Radha Manasa Bikes Private Limited. They are looking for sales executives. 2 years of experience is required, and office boy only freshers are eligible, and sprayers in charge to should have minimum 2 years of experience as a sprayers in charge, and service mechanics, telecallers, receptionist. For all these positions they have vacancies, and they are also looking for accountant positions with minimum 10 years of experience. You can contact on the given address or given phone number for further information. Contact number is 6305212500, and the address details are Radha Manasa Bikes Private Limited has 403013 besides MRB Trade Center, Bangarupet, Kurnool, AP. Next, there is a job openings for Fairsoft Solutions. They are looking for customer support executive, and this is like a work from home option. Should have any degree and should have a two-wheeler, and they will be preferred. Full-time and part-time both positions available. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9100965460. Next, there is a job openings for SBI Life Insurance. They are looking for team handling roles. Should have a uh, you should be able to handle field sales team of life insurance, and attractive salary along with incentives offered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and work location is Kurnool. Contact number is 9885092207. Next, there is a job openings for DB Electronics and Appliances, located in Exhibition Gate, opposite to Exhibition Gate, Control Room, Kurnool. They are looking for account assistant, should have a knowledge of computer operations, and minimum 3 years of experience is required. This is a immediate appointment will be offered, and you can contact on the given phone number or email ID for further information. Contact number is 9182227120, and email ID is dbkurnool@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for our Aparna TVS showroom. They are looking for direct marketing sales executives. Salary offered up to 7,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9100005936. Next, there is a job openings for Srivasavi Supermarket. They are looking for male and female workers to work in their supermarket. Salary offered up to 5,000 per month, and job location is Ashok Nagar, Kurnool. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9550370820. Next, there is a job openings for S. Abdul Ghaffar Kadarwali Pesticides and Seeds Shop. They are looking for building and stock cutting writers. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9440352507. Next, there is a job openings for Sindhu Promotions located at Government Hospital, Nandala. They are looking for both male and female candidates. Minimum qualification SSC 10 or inter, pass or fail. Salary offered up to 10,000 along with bonus 6,000 and free accommodation will be provided. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7680800765. Next, there is a job openings for SVSS organization. They are looking for security guard positions. Good salary along with accommodation and food offered. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9392143108 and 9177419442. Next, there is a job openings for Aquatech. They are looking for telecallers and sales executives and sales officers. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact number is 9346515873. Next, there is a job openings for driver positions for Sri Lakshmi Road Transport Company. They are looking for drivers who have heavy license and badge number. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9248193948 and 9100071346. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Kurnool locations. I will be releasing a new video as early as possible. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings moving forward as well. And have a great day.